Emma. I wanted to go over the question that you had with you a little bit more detailed. So here I am at Desmos looking at this blank graph, and I'm going to type in an equation, and it's going to be negative 2x plus 8. So this is the line negative 2x plus 8. And now I have the ability to, sorry, the baby's in the background, to adjust where this function is on the graph by adjusting the domain. So if I say x is less than negative 2, then it's back over here. If I say x is greater than 0, okay, now it's just this part. I could say x is greater than 2, and it's still here. I could even say x is greater than negative 3. And so you can see it's the same line that continues to extend different amounts on the graph. You can even say x is greater than 4. And then it looks like here, but we can still imagine that negative 2x plus 8 would still overlap with the red line. And so you can see, yes, even though this blue part is not part of the domain of this function, we still know that that's the pattern that it would be following. And so I hope that helps explain it a little bit better. Let me know if you want to go over it more.